Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will discuss how to quit something cold turkey. Let's watch.
Hey Brian, long time no see.
Hey Julie.
Wow, you're a runner. I didn't know that.
Yes, I started running last year. I feel great.
Why did you start running?
Well, I decided to quit smoking cigarettes.
Oh, congratulations. How did you quit?
I quit cold turkey.
Huh? Cold turkey? Is that some brand of cigarettes?
No, cold turkey is not a cigarette brand. Very different meaning. To learn how to use this idiom correctly, please watch the full video by clicking the link in the description below.